Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to close Hyper-V in Windows 11 for Gameloop. First you need to go to search bar, search for turn Windows features on or off. This is the one, just tap on it. In this list you have to untick Hyper-V and scroll down. Virtual Machine Platform, untick this one, and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Already unticked, so make sure to untick this one. Tap on OK. Or otherwise you can do that using command prompt or terminal. To do that, go to search bar, search for command, right click on the command prompt, tap on run as administrator. Now this time you need to type bcd edit space /set hypervisor type space auto and hit enter. So this is how you can enable or disable hypervisor on Windows 11 for Gameloop. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.